For many adults with working part-time jobs or have other occupations often find it difficult to make the sufficient amount of money to support their daily lives. Now, with the ease of access of the internet, many young adults are finding different outlets in order to make extra money on the side. DoorDash is an internet-based company designed to facilitate a door-to-door food delivery service between small restaurants all the way up to big major chains such as McDonald's, Wendy's, etc. Creating an account for DoorDash is as simple as creating your own username and password, along with including an email and phone number to link with the account. It is important to include that you may also link your Facebook or Google account that you may already have existing. Now, when it comes to working for DoorDash, it is actually quite a simple process. You would go in and go to the website here and select Become a Dasher. Now, as you click Become a Dasher, you just fill out a quick application, and then they would ask for a background check in which you would submit it, and then they would send you your welcome package. Upon receiving this package, it will include an instructional training video along with what is known as a red card, in which you would use to type into your application or website, and that would activate you as a delivery driver. Upon activation of becoming a DoorDash driver or a Dasher, you would then go out on your first delivery run, in which you would just drive to the restaurant, pick up the food, dash yourself on over to the person's house or address, wherever they may be, and you make the delivery. Now, how do we get paid in all this? Well, when you apply to become a Dasher, you're asked your bank account information, in which they will be linked with the application. Every time you make a delivery, you'll be given a base amount of pay, depending on the distance of the delivery. The farther the distance, the more base payment that you'll receive. There's also other methods to earning more payment through DoorDash, such as promotions or incentives created by the app, maybe increasing base payment for each delivery during a certain hour or a certain day. The most major source of income for most Dashers will have to be tips. Tips are given 100% to every Dasher and are not taken away by DoorDash whatsoever. So all that money given by the customer to the Dasher themselves is pocketed. Now, if you're wondering where DoorDash gets their money from, it's primarily from the delivery fees charged at the end of every consumer order. These delivery fees are what you're paying DoorDash for, is simply organizing the service for you to have the food delivered to you. Now, as mentioned earlier, DoorDash also has major partnerships with big name brands such as McDonald's, in which McDonald's would pay DoorDash to promote their product or food on the app to further incentivize consumers to want to buy McDonald's food. This process provides profit for both parties in this situation. Thanks for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful in using DoorDash to make money.